Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into smartwatches, health tech, or anything Apple, this one's for you. Today we're diving into everything we know about the Apple Watch Series 11, from the design and features to the release date, pricing, and major upgrades over previous models. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell for full coverage of the September 2025 Apple event. Introduction and launch details. So, first off, let's talk about the big picture. Apple hasn't officially announced the Series 11 just yet, but credible leaks from Mark Gurman, Ming-Chi Kuo, and Apple supply chain sources have painted a pretty clear picture. We're expecting the Apple Watch Series 11 to launch on September 10, 2025, alongside the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Ultra 3. Pre-orders should open that same week, with devices shipping around September 19th, which perfectly aligns with Apple's design and display. Let's move on to the design. Apple isn't reinventing the wheel here. The rounded rectangle look is staying, but bezels will be thinner for a more immersive display. Expect 41mm and 45mm case sizes, new colors, refreshed product red, Starlight Midnight, and a sleek matte black stainless steel, stronger glass, and a new scratch-resistant coating on aluminum modeled the LTPO OLED Always On. Retina display is getting brighter up to 2000 nits, making it easier to see in direct sunlight. There's also a rumored 120Hz refresh rate, which means smoother animations and more efficient performance. Specs snapshot. Here's a quick breakdown of the expected specs feature. Details: case sizes 41mm, 45mm display, LTPO OLED. 2000 knitted chip, S10 or early S11 variant storage, 64GB RAM, 2GB connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 6, 5G RedCap health sensors, HRECG, SPO2, BP, glucose beta battery, 20 to 24 hours real world, durability, IP6X, dust resistant, WR50 water resistance, performance, new S10C. Kai powering it all is the new S10 chip, and possibly a base version of the S11. This brings 30 to 40% faster app launches, 120Hz smoother visuals, improved power efficiency for extended battery life combined with watchOS 11. You get faster navigation, better Siri responsiveness, and smarter app transitions. Top 10 features. Now let's talk about the 10 biggest features coming to the Apple Watch Series 11. 1. Blood pressure trend monitoring, not fully FDA approved, but helpful for tracking long-term changes too. Hypertension alerts: the watch will notify you if elevated. BP patterns are detected. 3. Sleep tracking 2.0, better REM detection. Improved respiratory rate tracking. 4. Blood glucose trends, beta, possibly early stage integration with CGMs, huge for diabetics. 5. Next-gen heart rate sensor, more accurate during workouts and under stress. 6. Enhanced ECG and SPO to faster and more reliable results even during extreme conditions. 7. VO2 Max upgrades and Fitness Plus integration, smarter movement coaching and refined fitness rings. 8. Respiratory rate monitoring, used for tracking breathing patterns during sleep or workouts. 9. Fall and crash detection 2.0, enhanced by AI, faster, smarter, and more precise. 10. On wrist temperature sensing, skin temperature trends for women's health and illness alerts, connectivity and safety. Series 11 is set to be Apple's most connected smartwatch yet. Bluetooth 6.0, quicker pairing, lower power usage, Wi-Fi 6E, faster data with less interference, 5G RedCap, lower power, better coverage for cellular models, satellite emergency messaging, basic off-grid text alerts when you're out of cellular range. Ease. Upgrades make the Series 11 ideal for travelers, hikers, and off-grid adventurers. Battery and charging. Apple still advertises 18 hours, but real-world usage will likely hit 20 to 24 hours. Thanks to the efficient S10 chip and software improvements in watchOS 11, fast charging continues with the magnetic charger. 80% charge in just 45 minutes. Pricing and availability: pricing is expected to stay consistent, $399 for GPS aluminum, $499 for GPS plus cellular, $699 plus for stainless steel or Hermes variants, and yes, pre-orders are expected September 13th. With deliveries starting September 19th, who should upgrade? Series 5-6 say users absolutely huge performance and feature gains. Series 8-9 owners, it depends. If blood pressure or satellite messaging are must-haves, it's a solid step up. Otherwise, you might want to wait for Series 12, or the rumored Apple Watch X with a full redesign. Final thoughts? The Apple Watch series 11 isn't a complete revolution, but it's a smart, meaningful evolution. You get better health tracking, future-ready connectivity, faster performance, and a brighter, more immersive display, all while keeping pricing stable. So are you planning to upgrade, or are you waiting for the next generation? Let us know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full hands-on review after the Apple event in September. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.